These elephants are the ones that are going to go past our room on Elephant Walk. They've come across the river from the other side. They go up into the mountains and then they come back in the morning sometimes. This is the new site they've just got the land and built recently. It's gorgeous. Terraces down to the river, and this is like the common area. And yeah, we're due to go and cut banana leaves. There you go, ducks look happy. Now we cleared out all the dead stuff from their pen. And we're now headed up the road to do another job. Not sure what, something about moving wood, where they're going to put a new cat kingdom.
Which is great, but at the same time, it means you never have 2 nickels throughout the day. Yeah. And I got frustrated.
Just run your finger down it.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Was it shy grass?
Yeah.
Okay, Shaz done some work.
Where's the proof that you're working?
Sorry?
Where's the proof that you're working?
And the proof that I'm working is that I'm dripping in sweat.
You are.
One of the other groups had cut all this grass this morning, so our job now is to strip all the seeds off it so it can be used to replant where it's all turned to mud down at the main camp.
That walk with each elephant. Do you know why? Because these 4 people, they will protect elephant leg.
Yeah, last one is like we didn't see each other again. It's okay. Yeah, about that my
Our job this morning is clearing up the elephant poop. I suspect there's going to be quite a lot of it because we've got shovels, sacks and a lorry. So I think we're expected to pretty much fill the lorry, and with 100 odd elephants around and seeing the amount they eat, I think there's going to be a lot. Not happy with the dogs?
I don't think they like that.
No.
It waiting to come out.
Thank very much. Poop elephants produce. That's. Big elephant produced big pile of poo. Just waiting for the truck. She's already eating more, getting ready to give us more work to do. Coming after you, Jan. It can't make any noise yet.
Yeah.
Amazing, you can just stand here fairly close. You've got to be a bit careful. That was a bit of a stampede, bit of a charge towards us. Funny noise. Much more gentle than old Gracie here, he takes my hand off. Yeah. Is that nuts? He was all...
Mowgli doesn't like dogs that don't have wheels, I don't think. Mowgli! Mowgli, this way!
The mud on the side of the building where the mud went up to, and apparently the water went up to the black aircon, well not aircon, fans from the rooms. So you can see how they couldn't even get in here for several days until the water receded, and then the mud was so deep you could hardly move. This is the main building, and where you come in there's all these tyres that have been painted and made into dog beds, which is a really good idea. And then you've got the main bit along to the restaurant, and there's water here, and there's a bit where you can get your laundry done. There you go, laundry. And then you just keep going down, it's the restaurant and the bits where you eat. You can see an elephant there. Well, I'm just about to probably see the elephant down the far end. And another one over to my left. So yeah, there's loads you can see just from sitting in this bit, and then there's lots of information boards as well as you come round.
We also give a lot of freedom for the children who run from the civil war. So we also pay the money to build, we call Twilight School for the old people. Like we have so many of people here who work with us after 20 years old. They don't know how to write, they don't know how to read, they don't know numbers. So we want them to understand about that. So the school for...
In the afternoon we headed to the elephant Skywalk. You can see here the area it covers just on the left of the river there, and if you look closely you'll be able to see the Skywalk going around the outside, and if you look really closely you'll be able to spot a few elephants in there. But this is the way they're going now to try and keep up with the hands-off approach, so you walk around the Skywalks and there's no need to touch the elephants or get in their way. They can live their lives and we're up above them and just watching. That looks like a happy elephant. just the elephants, so on the way back from the Skywalk we're stopping off here at Cat Kingdom. 2,000 cats across a few enclosures here, and yeah, just a little bit of feeding to do. Their enclosures are beautifully done. You can see they've got all the walkways and bits to sit on, and there's food and litter tray or litter areas everywhere for them, and as soon as you lie down you have about 3 cats on top of you. So yeah, it's a lovely spot they've got, and didn't see a single cat fight, so they've clearly got them well trained.
Just stay here until then.
Yeah. We're just heading back towards the main camp, and the 2 elephants who we see come past our room every morning are on their way back to the other side of the river.